a Bath and Body Works haul video. This is the items that I got on the Fine Fragrance sale, the $5.95 sale, and I just kind of wanted to do it a little bit different. So here's the video. As y'all do see on the floor, you will see like a little orange piece of paper. That's actually the coupon that I was talking about on my community tab. The coupon was on the floor. I didn't even notice it until I actually went up to the register. So let's get into this haul, y'all. Okay, y'all, my Fine Fragrance haul. Let's get into it to show y'all the stuff that I got. As you see, I did 2 orders. Like I told y'all, they got me. They got me because they did a 20% flash sale later on Sunday evening, and I had already placed my orders, so it is what it is. And here's the stuff Himalaya, not Fine Fragrance Mist, but the Essential Oil Mist. I grabbed this because y'all know I absolutely love aromatherapy. So yeah, there's no scent notes on the back. So yeah, I grab this one. Love it, love it, love it. And I grab the Rainfall Retreat. Decided to grab this one. So yeah, love, love, love aromatherapy. So I wanted to try, anytime they come out with new aromatherapy, I like to grab it just to see if I like it or just to give it a try. So yeah, grab those 2. And the other 2 items I got is the Saltwater Coast. I told y'all I love this collection. This collection is so nice and fresh and that clean scent. So yeah, I grabbed both of them in the collection. And here's the Water Lily Springs. Grab that one as well. So yes, love that. Lilies, crisp water, and clean musk. And this one is Salty Air, Lotus, and Sandalwood. So yeah, grab those 2. So that was my first order. I used a 10% coupon. Place another order. The first one is Calypso Clementine. So yeah, I'm not feeling the packaging. I don't really like this packaging, but it is what it is. The scent notes is Clementine, Neroli Nectar, and Coastal Woods. This is very much a citrus woody scent. This collection is huge. And when I tell you, you could get it in anything: body care, home fragrance, hand sanitizer, hand soap, whatever it is that you want to try, this collection has it. Bath and Body Works did they big one with this collection. They put a lot of energy in it with all these different product items that you could grab it in. So leave in the comments, let me know how you feeling. I mean, a lot of people is not really feeling this collection. I kind of like it, but I kind of like it more on the dry down. I haven't tried the candles yet, but I did grab the Fine Fragrance Mist. So leave in the comments, how do you feel about this collection? The next one I got is Peach Bellini. Peach Bellini decided to grab this one, and this is a peach, Prosecco, and a sweet orange. So I grabbed that one. Why? I don't know. I really got it to wear with some of my peach
scented perfume. So yeah, that's why I kind of grabbed it. And then the last one, because everybody's talking about this one, so I decided to just go ahead and grab it, which is the Sweetheart Cherry. Yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab this one. The scent notes is a cherry, pistachio, and whipped vanilla. So yeah, I grabbed this one, and a lot of people are saying this smells like Tom Ford Lost Cherries. I'm actually wearing Tom Ford Lost Cherries today, and yes, it does smell similar to Lost Cherries. But the difference with the two is this one is very cherry forward, whereas the Tom Ford is like a really nice blend of cherries, and then you get that wood note. So this one you still get that pistachio note, I guess. Yeah, the pistachio, but to me you get more of that cherry note. So yeah, it's nice. It's cool. But I wanted to grab it before they actually sold out of it. So yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab it.
Now I'm gonna be totally honest with y'all. I was gonna pass on this scent, but so many people kept saying that they got it and their store is running short on it. So I said, I better grab this scent before I cannot get it. So the fear of missing out got me. So that's the reason why I grabbed it, and I actually like the scent. It does remind me of Lost Cherry perfume by Tom Ford, but this has more cherry. The cherry is a lot stronger in this scent. So yeah, I did grab it, y'all, because y'all made me grab that one.
That they are doing the preview for this Tropidelic collection, the Tropidelic collection. They're doing a preview of it, and they had this for $8, the travel size or the 10 ml perfume in the Tropidelic. I decided to just go ahead and grab this because it is a scent that I think I'm really going to like. So I wanted to try it, and it's actually everything that I thought about. You know, it most definitely give you the Cocoa Paradise family. It's like that beachy, I don't know if it's coconut in it, but it gives you that beach vibe, like all of the, you know, the beach scented perfumes. You know, first thing I thought about was Replica Beach Walk. It kind of puts me in the mind of that type of family, if you know what that smells like. The Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, I think that's the name of it. It kind of puts you in the mind of that. And like I said, the Cocoa Paradise. So yes, if you love those tropical scents, I don't even know if it's focused, but if you love those tropical scents, you most definitely will love this. Y'all know I love those tropical scents. So this was just, yes, this is screaming my profile. I love scents like this. So yeah, I did grab that for $8.
Now I ain't gonna hold y'all. That Peach Bellini might go back. That Peach Bellini might go back to the store, and I might do an exchange for this Tropidelic scent. I'm not even gonna front. I ain't even gonna lie, because this Tropidelic scent is my scent profile. I really like this scent. So what do you think about it? Leave that down in the comments.
Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave your comments at the bottom. Shout out to my MVP writers. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for always watching any and everything that I post. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.